Favorite trends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's you, you are definitely in the right place. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you get to the end of this video and you find that it's helpful. Now, I do have a personal mentorship program where you can work with me directly to really work out all those kinks or fill in the learning gaps that you need. And you also can have access to my self-guided program that allows you to learn on your time, on your own time, and on your own pace as well. So if you want to know more information about those things, the information is down below in my description box. So in today's quick video, we're going to be doing another trade review. Now, this was something I just looked at for a couple of minutes, not really thinking about the news that was coming at the next day, but I did recommend EURUSD for a sell to the students that I am currently mentoring. Now, I do have a learn and earn system where the students are able to copy my trade ideas in order to become profitable before they learn to do it on their own. So here is what I recommended. A sell at market execution or a sell limit with a stop loss, for example, of about 40 pips and a take profit 1 and take profit 2 up to 60 pips. And we're going to go ahead and analyze this trade on TradingView to see what actually happened. Now, in the midst of this trade loading up and ready to play out, I did give my students just some heads up to let them know things that they can wait for before they actually enter the trade, like waiting for the current candle to close, waiting for the larger EMA to cross over the smaller EMA, and waiting for both of the lines to cross through the stochastic. So as we can see, I posted this trade idea around 3:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what I'm going to do is rewind my chart to 3:11 or around 3 o'clock p.m. And I'm going to show you guys what I was looking at and how this trade actually played out. So I do have a bunch of different lines on my charts as potential areas of resistance or places where they will be able to set pending orders or into the trade. But I'm going to tell you exactly what I did for my strategy and how the trade ended up. Now, I have two EMAs on my chart. One is it's the blue line, and it's the 3 EMA. And I have a second EMA, which is purple, and this is my 10 EMA. Now, I look for confirmations and then also specific entry and exit signals that are going to help me with my trade. Now, when I'm looking for a sell, what I'm looking for is the purple EMA to be crossed above the blue EMA. So we're going to look at this section right here. And in addition to that, I'm also looking for my stochastic to be facing down, but preferably the best time to enter is once it crosses below the 80 line. So we're going to look at other examples of this. So here we see another example. And I want you guys to just, if you have to zoom in, we can see that the purple line has crossed above the blue line here. And then we can also see that the stochastic has started to face back down. So those are things that I look for when I'm getting into a sell. So when I was looking at this trade, I noticed that my purple EMA had already crossed above my blue EMA. In addition to that, this huge red candle was pretty much letting me know that the sellers were picking up steam and the market had the potential to go that direction. I also saw that my stochastic had already crossed below 80 and it was on its way down. Now, although the market was pushing back up, if this is going to be a selling market, it would have to retest a previous area of resistance. So the pending order that I set was about here around 108.64 or 65 or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and press play and we're going to see what actually happened in this trade. And this is on the hour time frame, by the way. So once I hit play, we can see that the market did sell for a little bit. The EMAs hadn't quite crossed yet, but when they did cross, we can see that the sell was picking up. Now, what we're actually going to wait for is for the market to retest. There we go. And hit the smaller black line. And then once we can see that it hit that entry point, it sold a lot. So I only had two take profits here for a maximum of 60 pips. But if you would have stayed in this trade, or if you're still in this trade for a sell, then you would pretty much have doubled that. This is about 120 pips. That the market has essentially dropped since it triggered up here. So that's really cool. I love to see it. Hopefully, if you were in the markets at this time that the news dropped, you were able to profit off of this trade idea. And if not, just better luck next time. We can't win them all. But that's really all I wanted to show you guys today. I just like to be transparent about my trades. If you would like to see more videos like this, you can check out my real wins and losses playlist. But definitely, if you learned something or you were introduced to a new strategy or indicator, leave me a comment and let me know. Hit the subscribe button, but more importantly, share this video with another trader who you think that it will be helpful to. But that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.